In csc 315 Roboethics, you'll see a lot of interesting things, like robots riding bikes, or DARPA's kinda scary, little bit creepy, but totally amazing robots. They can climb stairs, they run, they dodge obstacles. Looks like he's gonna do the limbo, I think. What's really cool is they get to play soccer with the president. The military applications are even more interesting. Roboethics focuses on the kind of designs that create these robots. Did you see that? He's got better balance than most humans. Oh my God, somebody get this kid an NBA agent. But why is this important? Why does ethics matter? Well, with the military capabilities of these nanobots and robots, the question comes, can we make lethal robots? And will that be okay in the rules of warfare, used for assassinations, or mass deployment over a war zone? Are these the sort of things that we want to do in the future? Is this the kind of thing that we should be doing in the future? Roboethics will give you insight into the sort of mind states and philosophies that can guide future designers and people that will be involved in the design and application of these simple technologies that are rapidly becoming a reality. Disguised as a pigeon, these nanobots can pick out a suspect, notify the police, and send the information to them and help and assist in the arrest. Another approach that you'll find in Roboethics is the incredible sort of design schemes that go into these sort of robots. The idea of top-down theory and bottom-up approach are the sort of things that matter in these sort of systems. And by finding out more about them and the ethics and philosophies that will guide you to use them properly, maybe we can avoid assassination bombs. Maybe we can avoid wars over clothing. But the question is, will people be able to restrain themselves? There's always going to be advances, and the question is, should the designers be the ones helping formulate the ethics that guide these advances? Robots are precise, exact, and interesting, something most humans can only hope to strive for. And Roboethics makes it clear that these sort of advances are the sort of things that we ourselves should be trying to model ourselves out. The ethics involved in robots involve preciseness, and in a future society where robots can be a part of our world, understanding what it means for them to develop ethics and a sense of belonging in a world that has trouble even accepting its own power will be of the utmost importance for robots in the future. And what are rights? Are rights available for robots? Imagine a future where a murder trial happens, where a robot goes in. Will we be able to understand the motivations? Will there be a motivation? It won't be an industrial accident, and it won't be a piece of machinery gone awry. It'll simply be someone with its own thoughts, its own feelings, taking them out in an aggressive way just like humans do. We learn from our own creator, right? The brutality of humanity is something that robots will also learn. And it's important that we ourselves understand the ethics and philosophies in this class. Because in order to avoid it, the sort of future where we have a Tiananmen Square of robots is the sort of future that we should be well aware of and doing our best to avoid. Robot warfare is inevitable. Whether or not we feel that it's something that humanity should undertake, it's going to happen. The important question is, and the question that Roboethics can help you understand, is what it's going to mean for all of us. So take csc 315 Roboethics. Learn about the proper way to design these machines. Learn about the right feelings to have. And help avoid the sort of future where man and machine cannot coexist.
Please put down your weapon. You have 20 seconds to comply.
I think you'd better do what he says, Mr. Kenny.
You now have 15 seconds to comply. You are in direct violation of Penal Code 113, Section 9. You now have 5 seconds to comply. 4, 3, 2, 1. I am now authorized to use physical force.
So don't be like Mr. Kenny in RoboCop. Be like Ken, who took csc 315 Roboethics and learned a whole lot more about robotics and ethics.